In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Designing your own website might seem daunting, but with Squarespace, it's remarkably straightforward and even enjoyable. Let's walk through the process together. First, get started by visiting the official Squarespace website. Here, you must set up an account if you don't have one already. Simply click on the Get Started button and follow the easy prompts to create your account. If you already have an account, just log in. Starting here will give you access to all the tools you need for designing a website that looks professional and uniquely yours. Next, it's time to choose a template. Squarespace offers a wide variety of templates, each crafted by professional designers. Take some time to browse through these templates. Consider the purpose of your website, whether it's a business site, a portfolio, or a personal blog. Each template showcases different features, so pick one that aligns with your vision and the functionality you need. Remember, the template is just the starting point. You can customize it to fit your brand and style later. Once you've selected a template, you can start customizing your website to truly make it yours. This is the creative part where you can let your imagination roam free. Adjust the text, swap out images, and experiment with colors to suit your aesthetic. The drag and drop interface makes it easy to move elements around and get a feel for what works best. Don't be afraid to explore different fonts and layouts. What's great about Squarespace is that all changes can be previewed in real time. This means you can see exactly how your site will look before committing to any changes. After customizing the look, it's time to think about your website's address. Squarespace makes it easy to purchase a custom domain directly through their platform if you don't already have one. A custom domain gives your website a professional edge and makes it easier for visitors to find you online. If you already own a domain, you can simply connect it to your Squarespace site. The steps provided by Squarespace ensure that this process is smooth and hassle-free. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design and everything looks just the way you want it, it's time to publish your website. This step is what makes your site live and accessible to the world, turning your vision into a digital reality. Simply click on the Publish button and voila, your website is on the internet, ready to showcase what you have to offer. And there you have it, a basic overview of designing your own Squarespace website in just a few easy steps. Stick around for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your website. And remember, the possibilities with Squarespace are as boundless as your creativity. Thank you for joining me, and happy designing.